To view the Phantom Wallet mobile app, start by ensuring you have the app installed on your device. If not, download it from the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Once installed, open the app and you will be prompted to create a new wallet or recover an existing one. If you are creating a new wallet, follow the on-screen instructions to generate a unique passphrase. This passphrase is crucial for recovering your wallet in case you lose access. So make sure to store it securely. After setting up your wallet, you will be taken to the main dashboard where you can view your wallet balance and transaction history. To navigate through the app, use the bottom navigation bar. Here you can switch between different sections such as the dashboard, send, receive, and settings. In the dashboard section, you can view your current balance, as well as any pending transactions. To view your transaction history, go to the dashboard section and scroll down. Here you will see a list of all your transactions, including the date, amount, and type of transaction. You can also click on each transaction to view more details, such as the transaction hash and the blockchain it was made on. In the Send section, you can initiate a new transaction by entering the recipient's wallet address and the amount you want to send. Make sure to double-check the recipient's address to avoid sending funds to the wrong wallet. In the Receive section, you can view your unique wallet address and QR code. You can share this address with others to receive funds. Finally, in the Settings section, you can adjust various app settings, such as notification preferences and wallet management options. Here you can also recover your existing wallet using your passphrase, or reset your wallet if you encounter any issues. By following these steps and exploring the different sections of the Phantom Wallet mobile app, you can easily view and manage your digital assets on the go. Remember to always prioritize wallet security and keep your passphrase safe to avoid any potential losses.